The table comes in two color options, black and white. I decided to go with the white. And the reason I was hooked on these two products is because the table looks really classy and it has all the features like the RGB lights. It comes with a free mouse pad included, which is large enough to cover both the keyboard or the mouse. Not only that, it can also become a standing desk, meaning you can adjust the height of your table. And this table just right off the bat matched up with everything that I had in mind for my table. So I went ahead and placed my order for this one. Now do mind that you will have to assemble it yourself. That is something you have to deal with because it comes piece by piece to you, meaning everything is not assembled. So you have to read the documentation that it has. So you might have to read the documentation and do the hard work yourself. But trust me, that is going to be worth it because at the end the setup looks like this and you just cannot stop looking at it. I absolutely love both the gaming chair and the table, and I can 100% recommend these products if you're looking to buy a gaming chair or a table. So do check out MXG and their products. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love them as well, because they are trying their best to deliver something at a price point that is affordable to most people, and yet delivering quality which stands out. But there was just that thought in my head that my setup is not entirely complete if I don't have a gaming chair. Why not I just try it out and see if I like it. So since I was going to buy the table as well, I decided to get a chair along with that. It also comes with a headrest and something for your back. So there are like two pieces of cushions that you get along with this chair, which is really a plus point. Now let's talk about some of these additional things that I was not expecting to get along the table. First of all, we have this glass holder, so if you wanna take a drink or something while gaming, you could simply place your cup or glass in this holder. And I was mind blown because I totally did not consider there would be such an option in a table. So I was confused at first when I saw this. I was like, I don't even know what this is, but after reading the manual, it said that this is a cup holder, and I was shocked after reading that. You can increase or decrease the length of your table, meaning you can move it up or down as you would like.